Hello everyone, MPX Auto Sydney, it's James here. How are you today? In this video, I would like to share the second time we come back to this RAV4. The reason because we was waiting to get the full accessories to apply. So actually it's all good, all done, and you can see that at this moment the system is beautifully fit with the new frame fitting, matching the top and very nicely fitting on the side. So you can see that like this, and it's really much into the car's color, and the dashboard, it looks beautiful. This 9-inch version, and the system here we fit with the premium 9-inch and the Full HD high definition reverse parking sensor. So you can see it again that on the new system here, when we do the reverse camera, not only the reverse camera is absolutely stunning and super clear in detail, but also it is about the parking sensor here, which is the Full HD and high definition parking sensor. You will have to see the rear end so clear, and also showing the distance right from the back to the car. So it's 0.88 meter right now, because the car parking is actually our car behind our customer's car. And that's how we actually fit and install the system in this Toyota RAV4 2006 and 2012 generation. It is a 9-inch premium here, so hopefully you enjoy this one. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and yeah, we will see you on the next one. You know that this one actually has wireless Carplay, wireless Android Auto as usual with our premium setup. So again, have a good night, and we'll see you.